Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a 2007 Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. This outlet cruiser has just under 30,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. Let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and then we'll fire it up for you. Front tire really should be replaced on this. It's pretty low. It comes with 12-inch apes, air intake cover, forward controls with aftermarket pedals and heel rests, Vance and Hines twin pipes, and the rear mounting hardware. Rear tire's in decent shape. That's got some life left in it. And an engine cover. And again, forward controls with aftermarket pegs and pedal with a heel rest. And grips and apes. There is a dent. You can really see it right here. In the front of the gas tank. Again, you can kind of see that tire. I mean, it's not desperate, but at this point, I think it really should be replaced. And the mileage. 29,911 is what's on it. This 2007 Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.